This is a memory plate. Being a memory plate, it is dimly lighted, it is sentimental, it is not reality. I am Tom Winfield, the narrator and also character in it. To begin with, I turn back time. I reverse it to the quiet period of 30s. In Spain, it is Guernica. Here, there are only shouting and disturbance of labor. It is a small apartment, and the characters are my mother, Amanda Winfield, and my sister, Laura Winfield. Now I am going to tell you the story of my sister. You know her, Laura. She is slightly crippled and a very shy girl.
Deception. How's the deer meeting, mother? Didn't you go to the deer meeting, mother?
No, I didn't have the strength to go to the DAR. In fact, I didn't have the courage. I wanted to find a hole in the ground to hide myself in it forever.
Why did you do that, mother? Why are you?
Why? How old are you, Laura?
Mother, you know my age.
I thought that you were an adult. It seems that I was mistaken.
Please, don't stare at me, mother.
So what are we going to do? What is going to become of us? What is the future?
Has something happened, mother? Mother, has something happened?
I will be alright just a minute. I am just bewildered by life.
Mother, I wish that you would tell me what's happened.
As you know, I was supposed to be inducted BAR at this October. But I stopped at the Rubicom's Business College to speak to your teacher about your having cold and ask them what progress they thought you are making down there. I went to the typing instructor and introduced myself as your mother. And she didn't know who you were. She said, Winfield, we don't have enrolled such any student at our school. I said, no. Laura, my daughter, has been going to school every day for the past 6 weeks. And she said, no, I remember her perfectly now. Her hands shook so that she couldn't hit the right keys. For the first time, we gave her a speed test and she broke down completely. She said me, we phoned your house but never got any answer. Oh, I felt so weak I couldn't bear on my feet. I had to sit down while they got me a glass of water. $50 of tuitions? All of our plans? My hopes and ambitions for you? Just gone up this spout? Just gone up this spout like that?
When you are disappointed, you get that awful suffering look on your face, like the picture of Jesus' mother in the museum. But I couldn't face it.
So what are we going to do the rest of our life? Stay home, watch the parrots go by, amuse ourselves with the class manager darling, eternally play those worn out phonograph records of your father left as a painful reminder of him? We won't have a business career because it keeps us nervous in indigestions. I know very well what become of an unmarried woman who aren't prepared to occupy a position. Little burglar women without any nest eating the crust of humanity all their life. Girls who aren't usually prepared to occupy a position, they marry to some nice man. Sister, that's what you will do?
But mother,
Yes.
I'm crippled.
Nonsense, Laura. I have told you never to use this word. Why you are not people, you just have a little defect, hardly noticeable even. When people have this slight of disadvantages like that, they cultivate other things. Vivacity, charm, That's all you have to do. One thing your father has plenty. What's done?
Don't you remember asking me to fetch a gentleman collar?
I remember suggesting it would be nice for your sister if you brought home some nice young man from the warehouse.
Yes, you have made this suggestion repeatedly.
Well,
We are going to have one. His name is O'Connor. He's coming tomorrow. He works at the warehouse and earns $20 more than I do. But one little morning, mother, he doesn't know about Laura. I just said, why don't you have dinner with us? He said, okay.
however, he will know about Laura when he gets here. I'm sure when he sees how sweet, pretty, and lucky he will thank his lucky star to be asked to dinner.
But mother, don't expect too much of Laura.
What do you mean?
She's crippled. We don't even notice because she's ours and we love her.
Don't say cripple. You know that they're never allowed to use this word.
Here's the fact. She is. And that's not all.
What do you mean by not all?
She's very different from other girls.
I think the difference is all to her advantages.
No, she's very shy with others and lives in her own world. She's peculiar.
Don't say peculiar.
Here's the fact. She is.
In what way is she peculiar, may I ask?
She lives in her own world.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the movies.
Why are you going to the movies so much now?
Because I like adventure very much.
Most young people find adventure at their work.
Then most young men are not employed at the warehouse. I brought Jim home to dinner. I had known him slightly in high school. He was a high school hero. He had some exceptional ideal good nature. Jim, this is Laura. Laura, this is Jim.
I didn't know you had a sister.
How? How do you do?
Hello? What is local, right?
Yes, wait. Excuse me, I haven't finished paying the petrola.
How do you feel, Laura?
Like my glass pieces collection, I say I have one.
You know what I just discovered? Tell people that what Mr. Ted Grumpy was awfully grateful. As far as I know, you practically was not existed. You see, what I did was practically on education. For example, my advice to you is develop yourself as a superior in Starbucks.
In what way would I think?
Oh, Laura, you are beautiful. Special, very special. Have you that?
You? Now it is just like the all other horses.
Sorry, it is closed.
A horn? It doesn't matter. Maybe it's a blessing in disguise.
Never forget me. I can because you never teach a class.
I don't have favorites much. Glass breaks so easily, no matter how careful you are.
I'm awful. Sorry for that. I was
I am just imagining. He had an abortion. The horn was removed.
That's very funny, Laura. I'm glad to see that you have a sense of humor.
That's very funny, Laura. I'm glad to see that you have a sense of humor. You know, you are well, very different. Sarcasm different from anyone. Only well, you say, I can't take down your number, and say I'll phone. I cannot call up next week and ask for a date.
You won't follow him.
I have got this thing, Laura. I've been going to study. I go out all the time with a girl named Betty. She's a home girl, like me.
A souvenir.
That's right. Now you have made fool of ourselves. The preparations, all the expense, all for what? The new floor mat, the rug, the new dress for Laura? Don't think about us. You just go to the movies. A mother deserted, an unmarried sister who is crippled and has no job. Don't let anything interfere into your selfish dream. You just go to the movies. Just go to the moon, you selfish dreamer, then go. Then go to the moon.
I didn't go to the moon. I went much further. For time is the longest distance between the places. Not long after that, I was fired for writing a poem on the lid of a shoebox. I left St. Louis. I descended the step of this fire escape one last time. Whenever I saw a piece of transparent glass or old music, maybe I was walking along a street at night in some strange city. Then all at once, my sister touches my shoulder. I turn around, look into her eyes. Oh, Laura, Laura. I tried to leave you behind me, but I am more faithful than I intended to be. Blow out your candle, Laura. Blow out.